This is Ron Atchison for IDSCarCare.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clean difficult to reach areas on your wheels with the recently released Autofiber Barrel Blade. When you receive your Autofiber Barrel Blade, you're going to get a nice little Autofiber sticker for your toolbox or back window on your pickup truck, or maybe on your cabinet on the wall. But inside the box, you're going to get the blade assembly itself. This is hard plastic. The blade itself is made out of rubber. It's got metal inside of it so that you can bend it and shape it if you need to get behind spokes. The rubber blade is riveted to the plastic on it. The handle itself simply screws in just like that. Now when you go to bend it, to shape it, to get behind the spoke, I would suggest that you hold it here and on the end and bend it to the shape you desire. I would not hold it on the end there and hold it on the handle itself. It's possible that you could crack this plastic because this is extremely stiff. It's not real simple to bend. For the cover itself, it's a very nice, soft, thick microfiber cover. It's 12 inches long, so it can really get in some deep wheels. Inside the cover, there's two snaps that hold it onto the blade assembly. To put it together, simply slide it in just like that. The first snap will go through the hole in the handle, and then the second snap snaps behind it, and that's what the assembled barrel blade will look like. As I said, you can bend this to shape it just like that. So that is the Autofiber Barrel Blade. Let's put this thing to work on some different wheels and see how it does. Okay, in my wheel bucket I've got about an ounce of Jescar Auto Wash foaming shampoo. I like to add some car wash soap to my wheel bucket. Helps with lubricating everything. For a wheel cleaner, I'm going to be using the McKees 37 Gentle Wheel Cleaner. This is formulated for people that keep their wheels up. They don't let them get all crusty and real dirty. So these wheels aren't that dirty, so I keep after my wheels. So this is all I really need. I don't need a real potent wheel cleaner. So we'll give them a coat. For a tire, I'll be using the McKees 37 Tire and Rubber Rejuvenator. This new formula cleans just like the old formula did, but all the harsh chemical smell has been removed from it, so it's a much more pleasant product to be using. If I was using the old stuff, I wouldn't be sitting there talking to you. I'd be coughing. So give that a little scrub. As you can see, it foams up nice. So now on to what we've been waiting for, and that is the Autofiber Barrel Blade. As you can see, it holds a ton of water. It gets all the way up there. I can see on this wheel, which is really not that large of a wheel. It's a Honda CR-V, maybe a 7-inch wheel. But the barrel brush goes way past the back side of the wheel. It feels nice rubbing it on the wheel. It's nice and soft, doesn't feel like it's harsh at all. So that's a good thing, especially for black wheels that have a delicate surface to them. But we'll try and give it a bend here. See if we can work behind the spokes. Works real nice for that. Gets back behind the caliper good. There's a few other wheel brushes on the market that you can bend like this, but this one seems to work the best because after it's bent, it's got a nice flat surface that actually rubs a large area, as you can see behind the spoke. Guess you can use it on the face like this, although a wash mitt would be probably a better tool to use. But so far I'm really liking this brush. It gets on the barrel really nice, gets all the way back in there nice and deep. The real tell of the tape will be whenever I do my Mustang. That's why I was really interested in picking up this brush, and Ian was nice enough to let me try one out. But it has 11.5-inch wheels on it, so all the other wheel brushes I've got, none of them would fit all the way to the back of the wheel. So this one's, I believe, 12 inches. I haven't measured it, but looking forward to trying that out on the Mustang. Be a problem solver if it reaches all the way to the back. It sure looks like it will. Alright guys, time for part 2 of the video. Will the auto fiber barrel blade be the solution for my problem of getting to the back of my wheels? So these are the brushes that I've been using. The Easy Detail brush works great, fits in between the rotor and the wheel just fine, but the problem with it is it leaves about 2 inches of the wheel barrel in the back that you virtually can't get to. The wheel woolly works okay. The only problem with it is it won't fit between the rotor and the wheel. Even though as small as this is, it's still too fat. The angle on it's wrong. It doesn't really get to the back of the spoke very well. And the typical wheel woolly used for wheels and wheel barrels is absolutely useless. It doesn't even remotely come close to fitting. So I'll show you the wheel situation. As you can see, this car's got huge brakes on it. There's maybe an inch in between the barrel and the rotor itself. On this side with the caliper, maybe a half an inch, even less in some areas. The wheel's actually kind of hard to even get back on without scratching it, hitting the caliper. So I already know that the barrel blade's not going to fit back there. So to clean that area, it's just going to have to move the car. So anyway, let's see if we can get 90% of this wheel cleaned and cleaned all the way to the back. Rear wheel is actually even wider. It's 11.5-inch wheel back there. Got a little bit more room in between the rotor and the wheel, but not a lot. I think the barrel blade will fit in there pretty good. Definitely not going to fit by the caliper. So let's give it a shot and see if we can at least get to the back of the wheel. You can always move the car to do the area by the caliper. Get you all set up here. Hopefully I can do this without putting my back in front of the camera. So we'll give the wheel a rinse. Change this. For wheel cleaner, I'm going to use the McKee's 37 Gentle Wheel Cleaner. It's a really nice wheel cleaner. It's nice and gentle, as the just name of the product says. It's for people that clean their wheels all the time, which is me. Foams up nice. This we'll go ahead and take the Auto Fiber barrel blade. This thing holds a ton of water, which is a nice thing. Keeps everything lubricated. So look at that. Fits perfect in between the rotor and the wheel. I measured this. This covers 11 inches long. It's 11-inch wheel, so I know it's getting all the way to the back. I can actually see that's with the handle a little bit further past the spoke. It's actually all the way past the wheel. Fits in between the spokes nice. At least I know I'm getting the whole wheel now using this brush, and that is exactly what I was hoping the barrel blade would do for me and solve that problem. And it definitely has. Whoop, I forgot to reattach the cover when I took it off earlier. That's user error, guys. It's not the problem with the cover. I forgot to snap it. So now I got that all put back on. So we'll give it a bend. Get the back side of the spokes. No problem getting the back side of the spokes all the way around. Even next to the caliper, it fits in there. Get the lug nuts. So there you go. That is the Auto Fiber barrel blade. Ian, wonderful product. Solved my problem. Couldn't be happier. It's a great tool. Really enjoy using it. I hope you found the video enjoyable to watch and informative. If you did, be sure and subscribe to my channel, where I'll be adding more videos for more products from the IDSCarCare.com website, where we carry a product for basically every square inch of your car. You'll find something there to fit all of your needs when it comes to detailing. This is Ron Atchison for IDSCarCare.com. Thanks for watching.